Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable step tracker on any Vivo phone. Now, to do that, just tap and hold on the home screen and tap on widgets. From here, just scroll down and tap on fit. From here, just swipe to the left side, and from here, just drag this widget to the home screen. Now from here, just tap on the widget, and from here, just select your Gmail and tap on continue. Now from here, just confirm these informations regarding you. You can enter your weight, your height, your date of birth, and your gender. Now once you confirm these informations, just tap on next. From here, tap on more and tap on turn on. Now just tap on allow. Now just tap on next. Now from here, just select your goal. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on set goals. Now once you do that, and if you go to your home screen, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the step counter. From here, you can count your steps, the amount of calorie burned, and the distance you covered in kilometers. Just like that. And this is how you can enable step tracker on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.